Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2024, and we're diving into ConocoPhillips' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. ConocoPhillips, a leading exploration and production company, has just released its third quarter results, and there's a lot to unpack, from earnings figures to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. ConocoPhillips reported earnings per share of $1.76 and adjusted earnings per share of $0.78 for the third quarter. John, how does this compare to last year?
Well, the earnings per share have decreased from $2.32 in the third quarter of 2023 to $1.76 this year. This decline is primarily due to lower realized prices, which were down 10% from last year. However, the company still generated a robust $4.7 billion in cash from operations, indicating strong underlying cash flow generation.
Dividend and share repurchase. ConocoPhillips has announced a significant increase in its dividend and share repurchase program. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. The company has raised its ordinary dividend by 34% to 78 cents per share, reflecting its commitment to returning capital to shareholders. Additionally, they've increased their share repurchase authorization by up to $20 billion. This move underscores their confidence in the business and their focus on enhancing shareholder value.
Production and strategic initiatives. Production seems to be a strong point for ConocoPhillips this quarter. What are the highlights here?
ConocoPhillips delivered a total production of 1,917,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day, with record production in the lower 48 states. They've also exercised preferential rights to acquire additional interests in Alaska for $300 million, which is expected to close by year-end. These strategic moves are aimed at bolstering their production capabilities and long-term growth.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what can we expect from ConocoPhillips in terms of production and strategic direction?
The company has provided a strong production guidance for the fourth quarter, expecting between 1.99 to 2.03 million barrels of oil equivalent per day. For the full year, they anticipate production to be around 1.94 to 1.95 MMBD. CEO Ryan Lance has expressed confidence in exceeding their initial synergy guidance from the planned acquisition of Marathon Oil, which is a positive signal for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, ConocoPhillips has shown resilience in a challenging pricing environment with strategic initiatives to enhance shareholder value. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
ConocoPhillips is well positioned with its strong cash flow, increased dividends, and share repurchase program. While there are challenges, their strategic acquisitions and production growth provide a solid foundation for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ConocoPhillips' performance in the comments below.